Islamabad. The president of Pakistan, Asil Ali Zardari, explained that his nation was not involved in the deadly attacks last week in India. He also said, "I think these are stateless actors who have been operating all throughout the region. The gunmen plus the planners, whoever they are stateless actors who have been holding hostage the whole world." At least 179 people were killed when a band of gunmen attacked 10 targets in Mumbai on Wednesday night, triggering 3 days of battles with the police and Indian troops in the heart of the city, the hub of India's financial and entertainment industries. Most of the deaths take place at the city's top hotels, the Oberoi and the Taj Mahal. Now you will see the economic part of the news with Daniel Storwunghole.
Now we come to the economy. Eurozone retail sales slumped 2.1%. Retail sales across the 15 nations that share the euro fell more than expected in October, increased the chance of the interest rate cut. Now to the oil prices. Oil prices have risen after falling more than $100 from July's peaks. Now to Thailand. Thailand's central bank cuts interest rates by the biggest amount in 8 years, as the aims of live an economy hit by unrest. Now we come to features, vibes and analyze. Who cares? Unemployment is back. Did we forget about the jobless? Tile squeeze. Airports protest has damaged Thailand's economy. Euro questions. In the UK, closer than ever to join to euro. Now we come to the sport news with Johannes Kaiba.
Evening, Munich. The forward Lukas Podolski from Bayern Munich want to change the club. The erste FC Cologne's interest in buying him. Podolski played from 1995 to 2006 for Cologne. Cologne is his real homeland. They have to pay about 15 billion euros. By now the manager Uli Hoeneß don't exclude the change. Podolski played 60 times for the German national team and shot 31 goals. And now the UEFA Cup. Today 3 German teams have to play in the UEFA Cup. Twente Enschede vs Schalke 04, Hertha BSC vs the record winner of the Turkish Championship Galatasaray Istanbul. Tomorrow will play Wolfsburg with Portsmouth and Slavia Prague vs HSV. VfB Stuttgart have 3. All of them have a good chance to win and then a good chance to move in the next round. And now the weather forecast with Kalajan Littlework.
The Dönerbude Altkarthause, called Am Löwentor Kebab Pizza House, presents you the weather forecast.
Döner is good.
Yo Bitch, das ist Gangster, Arroganz. Klick deine Banger, Arroganz. Deine Klick, deine Eltern, alle Mann. Ich glänze durch Gangster, Arroganz. Ey yo Bitch, das ist Gangster, Arroganz. Das ist Klick deine...
In northern part of the world there are partly local snow showers. During the day temperatures from 4 degrees and in the night cold -3 degrees. The wind comes from southeast. In the rest of the world we hear from clouds for much rain and snow. At the day the temperatures sway between 3 degrees and in the night -6 degrees. Almost wind calm from southeast. The clouds remain in the sky in the east. But local the sun come through. Up to 3 degrees at the day and in the night -3 degrees. Weak wind from south-southeast. The south showers rare clouds, more sun. During the day up to 4 degrees, in the night up to -1 degree. Weak wind from the southeast too. In the whole world the snowfall water go down from 300 to 400 meters. So increased snow and smoothness. Maximum 0 degrees to 6 degrees. Goodbye.
And now the UEFA Cup. Today, 3 German teams have played the UEFA Cup. Twente Enschede vs Schalke 04, Hertha BSC was the record winner of the Turkey Championship Galatasaray Istanbul. Sorry. Nee, machst du immer den Satz, weißt du, wenn du sagst, musst du was.
Okay. Most of the deaths. Most of the deaths.
Nee.
Now we come to the economy. About the dropless tail squeeze.
Warte, sag das nochmal.
Teig squeeze.
Nee, den Satz.
So gut.
Boah, kannst du nicht mal ruhig sagen? Ja, was soll man sagen?
Die Kamera gerade.
Oh. Nochmal.
Das war.
Das war's.
Ja, man sieht es gar nicht.
Ja, noch von vorne. Das war's.
Das war.
Goodbye.
Das war's. Goodbye?
Ja, sagen Sie immer.
Gar nicht.
Thank you for your consideration.
Genau, sag das, Fabian.
Thank you for your consideration.
Lauter.
Thank you for your consideration.
Lauter und deutlicher. Ah, ist einfach nicht so geil.
Ist egal. Das war dann sehr gut.
Aus dem kanadischen Urwald in den germanischen Kulturkreis. Es ist Kollega der Boss, Bitches fragen mich nach der Uhrzeit, doch ich antworte nicht. Halt ihnen die Hand vors Gesicht und sage, sprich mit der Hand dort.